We were sent this microwavable and weighted plushie, and my daughter is going to unbox it. Let's see.
Oh my god. It's white. Is it adult? Oh my god. I will name it s'mores. This is the cutest thing. It even smells like lavender. It matches me. So fuzzy.
It's nice and weighted as well, so very comforting for kids or even for adults. And now let's get it microwaved so that it can be nice and warm. There is a guide here which tells you how to heat it, and then also you can cool it as well. So your option of having a nice cool plushie or a nice warm one. We'll go ahead and put it in the microwave. And here's probably the silliest part when you put the cow in your microwave, but we'll go ahead and heat it up so it can be nice and warm. And now they're fully warmed up. Looks like it's very snuggly. What do you guys think?
So snuggly. They're so cozy. And the most of all, they're so warm. They're so beautiful. They're so cute. And most of all, once you heat them up, they smell like lavender. And it smells really good. I love this cow. It's so cozy. So warm.
We were sent this warm weighted Highland cow. We already have another one as well. Let's see what this one looks like.
Oh my god. What is this? Oh, it's so big. We got an adoption sheep. I'll name you S'more. Wow, that is ginormous. This is so big.
Is it heavy? Oh my goodness, that is a heavy cow. You want to know what? You can heat this one up too, but do you think this guy would fit in a microwave?
No.
So how do you think it comes out? He has a pocket, or she, depending on who it is. Once you unzip this, there's a large bag in here, and it has tasteless natural clay beads in it, and this is what you set in the microwave to warm up, or you can put it in your refrigerator for 1 to 2 hours. And it's ready to go back into the cow. And now they're fully warmed up. Looks like it's very snuggly. What do you guys think?
So snuggly. They're so cozy. And the most of all, they're so warm. They're so beautiful. They're so cute. I love this cow. It's so cozy. So warm.